Good Sunday morning, everybody. I just got hungry and I decided to eat. So I said, well, why not share it with my people, my subscribers? Well, I made a couple of pancakes, some bacon, a couple of little smokies, and a sausage. Got a boiled egg and some fruit. I say our prayer. Heavenly Father, thank you for this food that you have been prepared, Lord. I ask that you feed the people that's hungry out there that can't find food. In your Son, Jesus' holy name. Amen. All right, y'all. What y'all eat for breakfast this morning? Who went to church? I mean, just want to know. Just want to know. Little nosy, huh? You got put on? Sorry about the thumbnail thing. Which is why my last minute and 6 seconds asking everybody to like, subscribe, comment, and share my page. Was me do that now. Like I said, now like, subscribe, comment, share my page. I am doing the best I can for it. If I can do better, I will, y'all. And I'm going to do better. Let's hang on in there with me. So, you know, that's why you didn't get the last of it yesterday with the seafood. What y'all gonna do today? People going on family house to eat? Or, you know, I don't have friends. I only got family and associates, you know, brethren.